Alexa, stop.
So next, I'm gonna add blush. This is my favorite blush, and then it's like dark. This is how dark I use blush. So just
How old are you?
I'm 5. Before I was 4, but now I'm 5. It was my birthday,
Yeah. When's your birthday?
May 20.
May 20.
But it's done
Yeah.
because I'm 5 now. Where's the? I'm gonna get my sponge first. Wait. Now I'm putting the sponge. Oopsie. Now I'm dub.
Show your earrings.
Ate Jonna. Yeah. You can
better?
see my blush, guys. Yes, I use lip gloss or lipstick. I use lip gloss. Lip gloss.
All your makeup is for kids.
Yeah. So I use brown eyeshadow. Who use brown eyeshadow? This is my favorite eyeshadow palette, but no
That's from
trash.